consumed in the last 6 months. You've definitely consumed marijuana tonight.
No, I didn't. You're telling me I did. I told you I didn't. It's
Okay.
the third time you asked me.
All right. But stand just like you are, place your hands behind your back.
Oh.
You're going to be placed under arrest tonight for the suspicion of driving under the influence. What's wrong with your hand?
I had surgery on it.
Where?
NBA basketball player for the Phoenix Suns, forward Dillon Brooks, got a DUI, but not for alcohol. He blew 0 on the breathalyzer. So why was he arrested? The full uncut body cam is on the channel. Make sure to hit subscribe so you don't miss it. Join CivicShield and know your rights before you need them.
Hello.
How you doing, sir?
Hey, I'm Officer Livingston, Scottsdale Police Department. You have valid driver's license, proof of insurance.
Yeah. Can I ask you why I'm getting pulled over?
Why you're being pulled over is you failed to stop. You failed to maintain your lane 6 different times as we traveled north on Scottsdale Road from Mountain View.
And that's a stop?
Yeah.
And traffic?
Yep.
Fine?
What was that?
The traffic fine?
Traffic fine? Yeah, it could result in a citation. Absolutely.
I was following the person in front of me.
Okay. Were you following them home? Were they with you, or?
No, just I could see you tailing me from all the way from Scottsdale and Camelback.
Scottsdale I was following multiple different cars.
Okay.
I didn't get back up to you until until Doubletree.
At
sorry.
Shea, you stopped over to the left
Correct.
to make a left turn and said you came and followed me again.
All right. Do you have proof of insurance, Mr. Brooks?
No, I don't. It's on my phone.
All right. When was the last time you smoked marijuana?
No, it's been a while.
Do you have marijuana in the car?
No.
It smells quite heavily of the presence of marijuana. That's why I'm asking.
No.
You haven't smoked tonight?
No, I haven't.
Okay. How much alcohol have you used tonight?
None.
When was the last time you ever drank?
Probably 6 months.
Okay.
Look at that, the coyote.
Yeah, there's a couple of them here. All right, keep looking for that insurance. I'll get you on your way, okay?
Right.
Any weapons in the car?
No.
All right. Did you find that updated form of insurance?
No. I don't have it. I could possibly have it, but I don't have it on.
All right, Dylan. What I want to do is make sure you're okay to drive. All right. So I'm gonna have you take a step out for me, okay?
Step out the vehicle.
Yep.
Because of 6.
Failed to maintain your lane to 6 different times, yeah.
All right.
And then to be honest with you, it smells like a dispensary in your car. So when was the last time you smoked marijuana?
I haven't smoked in like 6 months.
So no marijuana in 6 months. Do you have marijuana in the car? Is that why it smells that way?
No marijuana in the car.
All right. Do you have any recent head, neck, or eye injuries?
No, just a hand.
Just a hand. Currently wearing contacts?
No.
They're supposed to be wearing contacts to drive.
No.
All right. Can you do me a favor? Stick out your tongue. All right. Do me a favor. Stand right where my light is. And turn to face me. Put your feet together. Arms down to your side, okay? All I'm going to do is move my pen side to side. What I want you to do is follow the clicky part of my pen with your eyes and your eyes only, okay? Do you have any questions? All right. We're almost done. All right, next time we go straight up. Once more. All right. Next, what I'm going to have you do when I instruct you to, I'm going to have you close your eyes and tilt your head back. Okay? At which point I'll say begin. When I say begin, what I want you to do is count 30 seconds in your head. Okay? When you've counted 30 seconds, what I want you to do is open your eyes, tilt your head forward, and tell me to stop.
Tell you to stop?
Correct.
On 30 seconds.
When you count 30 seconds, yeah.
Okay.
All right, any questions?
No.
All right, go close your eyes. And begin.
Stop.
All right, how'd you get to that number? How'd you count? 1 Mississippi, 1 1000, or just 1, 2?
Just 1, 2, 3.
Okay. You said you had a hand injury.
Yeah.
Any injuries with your hips, knees, ankles, feet? Anything affect your walking, turning, balancing?
No.
All right, what I'll have you do is you can stand right where you are. Actually, come up this way a little bit. Stand right where my light is. Feet together, arms down at your side. And face that way. What I want you to do is imagine a straight line from where your feet are going straight out. Okay? Once you have that line in your head, go and put your left foot on the line. Put your right foot directly in front of it. And stand just like this with your arms down at your side until I tell you otherwise, okay? Go ahead, right foot in front of left. But we're not going to be walking yet. All I want you to do is stand in this position.
Right over left?
Right in front of left. From here, I'll explain the test to you, then I'll demonstrate it, and then I'll have you do it, okay? From here, you're going to take 9 heel-to-toe steps down that imaginary line. Once you reach your 9th step or your lead step, you're going to leave your lead foot planted, taking a series of small, short steps around to take 9 heel-to-toe steps back down the line. While doing so, your arms will remain down at your side. You're going to count each step out loud, and you look down at your feet. Do you have any questions?
No.
All right. So I'm standing just like you are, correct? All right, test will look like this. 1, 2, 3, so on and so forth until 9. This is your lead step. Leave it planted. Small, short steps around. Take 9 heel-to-toe steps back down. 1, 2, 3, so on and so forth until 9, okay? Remember, keep your arms down at your side.
That was backwards, right?
No, what?
That was backwards, right?
You're going to be walking forwards.
Robbie now to the jail phone.
Forwards, make a turn and walk forward.
Alright.
Keep your arms down at your side, count each step out loud, and look down at your feet. And once you start, do not stop. If you have any questions, you can begin. Just like I demonstrated. At any point during my demonstration or instructions did I say walk backwards, or walk backwards myself. Alright, you can relax, okay? Alright, go ahead to face me. One more thing. Go ahead, feet together, arms down at your side. When I instruct you to, you're going to raise either foot of your choice 6 inches off the ground, okay?
6 inches.
Alright? While doing so, you're going to be looking down at your raised foot, counting out loud 1001, 1002, 1003, so on and so forth until I tell you to stop. Okay? Your arms are going to remain down at your side. Your legs are going to remain straight. And once you start, don't stop until I tell you to stop, okay? Do you have any questions?
Sure. Which foot?
Whichever foot you want. Alright, if you have any questions, you can begin whenever you're ready. Make sure to count out loud.
Who am I counting to?
You're counting until I tell you to stop.
I think you should have said that.
Alright, you can relax. So no alcohol in 6 months, you said?
Yes.
All right.
And I'm getting breathalyzed.
Correct. All right. Do me a favor, wrap your lips around that blow till your beep. All right. So why are you lying about how much marijuana you've consumed in the last 6 months? You've definitely consumed marijuana tonight.
No, I didn't. You're telling me I did. I told you I did. It's
Okay.
the third time you asked me.
All right. But stand just like you are. Place your hands behind your back.
Oh.
You're going to be placed under arrest tonight for the suspicion of driving under the influence. What's wrong with your hand?
I had surgery on it.
Where? Where on your hand? Because I'm about to handcuff your
On
wrist.
my knuckle.
All
Do
right.
I need to be handcuffed?
Yeah, you're under arrest.
1013, 109.
So what indicated me that I'm under
Has one at 1039.
Everything. It's a totality of the circumstances.
10-4, 133 hours.
You said you had surgery on your knuckle, right?
Yeah.
All right. Handcuff in front. I'm going to handcuff you in front so you don't have to sit on your hand that you had surgery on.
Can I have somebody pick up my car?
A car's going to be towed.
Oh, it's gonna be charged.
You'll get all the paperwork to get it back.
Oh, okay.
And then, Dylan, you're going to be with me for about an hour and a half to 2 hours, okay? There's no cost to get out of jail. Okay? I will be asking for 2 samples of blood. There'll be consequences for...
2 samples of blood.
Correct.
Why am I doing 2 samples of blood?
I'll be
Can
requesting...
I have a call, please?
Absolutely.
Like, what?
All right, we're going to head this way, okay?
Can I call somebody, please?
Yeah, once we arrive at the jail.
Fuck, I'm not doing no blood for you guys.
Okay.
What is that? Can I have grab my key? Like, what's
I'll
my
grab
car
everything
doing?
for you. Okay. Head to this side.
My phone's in my pocket.
All right, do me a favor, face the 911. All right, spread your feet. Anything on your stick, cut, or poke me.
No.
All right, we are going to go into the jail to controlled facilities with
What did I blow?
the blue zeros, which I anticipated.
What is warranting right now to be going to jail?
What is warranting you to be going to
Yes,
jail?
yes.
Your driving behavior, your performance on
My
the steering
driving
field.
behavior. I'm driving behind somebody.
Okay,
Yo, can I call somebody, please?
absolutely. Once we arrive at the jail.
Why can't I call right now so you know where exactly to come right when I get there?
Because you're not entitled to meet anyone inside our jail.
I'm not meeting anybody inside. You can stand outside
Okay.
while he talks to you guys.
I don't need to talk to anyone else. There's no one else I need to talk to besides you. All right, anything else on you? Shoes, socks, underwear. You bring anything? Do you have anything in your shoes, socks, or underwear?
I have it all on me. I'm wearing it.
Okay, so
This is this car, bro. You have all my stuff, right?
yeah, all your
You have
stuff's
my
in.
phone and all that?
Is it, Mr. Brooks, is your wallet in your car?
Yeah.
Okay, that'll go with you. We'll grab it.
Don't drive under the influence of alcohol, illegal drugs, or even legal prescriptions. Protect not only yourself, but others on the road. Get a taxi or rideshare. That is cheaper than getting a DWI or DUI, like in this case. Those run $10,000 to $20,000 after bonds, fines, attorneys, court fees, and probation fees. And if you kill someone, that can be life in prison. Stop and think for a moment about your choice. If you have the choice to call a friend or family member for a ride, do it. There is no shame in that. Overall, Dillon Brooks handled himself well by staying calm. You may be thinking, but he has money to bail out and pay attorneys. That may be true. But remember, by staying calm, you build a case to help you in court, and show the judge you're cooperative. Make sure you see the body cam is on. Ask the officers if it's on. And if you can, start recording before they get to your window. Once they make contact and get you out of the car, they won't allow you to grab anything, depending on the officer's judgment. So you have to start recording as soon as possible. And if they put you in handcuffs, leave the phone recording. Even if it is not capturing good footage, it can capture audio that may help you. Video recording is the way you will have a better chance in court and proves you're cooperative. All charges are still pending for Dillon Brooks. He is presumed innocent until proven guilty. Everything here is based on public body cam and police records. If this video helped you, hit the like button and share it. And if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and do so right now so you don't miss out on videos that provide useful information to help you every day with your constitutional rights and understanding of laws. Don't allow yourself to be taken advantage of. To learn more about your constitutional rights, download CivicShield from the Google Play Store. Try it free. Thank you for watching. We appreciate your support.